Warm greetings to the respected dignitaries, faculty members and my dear friends. I am delighted to share my wonderful learning experience in Gandhigram Rural Institute during my B.Sc Horns Agriculture journey. From gaining practical knowledge in sustainable farming to understand the true essence of rural development, every moment here has shaped my skills and values. Grateful for the guidance of my mentors, hands-on field exposure and the inspiring environment that made this journey meaningful. These years have been one of the most important phases of my life, shaping not only my academic knowledge but also my personality and confidence. When I first joined this course, I had only a basic understanding of agriculture. But today, after 4 years, I feel proud to say that I have gained both theoretical knowledge and practical skills that will help me in my future career. During these 4 years, we studied various subjects like agronomy, soil science, plant pathology, entomology, agricultural economics, and horticulture. Each subject gave us a different perspective on agriculture and helped us understand how important agriculture is for our country and society. One of the most valuable parts of this course was the practical learning. The laboratory sessions, field visits, and hands-on training helped us connect theory with real-world applications. Instead of just learning concepts, we actually saw how crops are grown, how pests are managed, and how soil health is maintained. A special part of our learning experience was the exposure to different farm units within our institution. The dairy farm gave us practical knowledge about cow management, feeding practices, and milk production. The mushroom cultivation unit helped us understand the process of growing mushrooms and maintaining suitable environmental conditions. We also gained hands-on experience in the vermicompost unit, where we learned how organic waste can be converted into nutrient-rich manure. The rapid farm and poultry unit, including chick rearing, provided us knowledge about animal care, breeding, and management practices. In addition, the goat rearing unit and small farm areas helped us understand integrated farming systems and the importance of combining different agricultural enterprises for better sustainability and our field experience was truly unforgettable. Visiting farms, interacting with farmers, and observing agricultural practices gave us a deeper understanding of the challenges faced in the field. We learned about crop management, irrigation methods, pest control, and sustainable farming methods. During our fieldwork, we also understand the importance of patience, hard work, and adaptability. Agriculture is not just a science, it is a way of life. This experience made us respect farmers more and realize their contribution to society. The rural agricultural work experience was another important part of our journey. It helped us interact directly with farmers, understand their problems, and suggest practical solutions. This experience improved our communication skills and gave us confidence to work in real-life situations. Apart from academics, our college also provided opportunities for extracurricular activities. Cultural programs, seminars, workshops, and competitions helped us improve our talents, teamwork, and leadership skills. In conclusion, these 4 years at Gandhigram Rural Institute have been a beautiful journey filled with learning, challenges, and unforgettable memories. This course has not only given us knowledge but also taught us responsibility, discipline, and aspect of nature and farmers. I will always be thankful to my college, my teachers, and my friends for making this journey so special. The lessons we learned here will stay with us forever. Proud to be a part of Gandhigram, where education meets rural transformation. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my feedback. Thank you.